In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Copilot from the Windows 11 context menu. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps. We all know that Windows 11 comes with a lot of features and enhancements, including the integrated Copilot for those who love the idea of having an AI assistant handy at all times. However, not everyone finds it useful, and there may be times when you want to keep your context menu simple and clean. So, if you're one of those users who prefer a minimalist experience, I've got you covered. First, let me guide you through the settings in Windows itself. Begin by right-clicking the Start button or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, and then selecting Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, you want to navigate to the Privacy and Security section, which you can find in the sidebar. Click on that to see more options. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, scroll down to locate Windows permissions. Under this section, look for an option related to Advanced Settings. Now I know this sounds a bit complicated, but bear with me. Inside the Advanced Settings, you should be looking for anything related to Copilot or AI features. When you find the options pertaining to Copilot, pay close attention because this is where the real magic happens. You should see a toggle switch that allows you to enable or disable Copilot features. If it's turned on, simply switch it off. This action will help to remove Copilot from appearing in your context menus and streamline your experience. If you didn't find Copilot settings under the Privacy section, there's another method you can use. We can modify the Windows registry, but let me warn you that the registry is a powerful tool. If you're not careful, you can inadvertently change something important. So always back up your registry before you proceed. To do this, press the Windows key and type regedit into the search bar. You'll see Registry Editor pop up. Click on it. In the Registry Editor, navigate to the following path: HKEE_current_user software Microsoft Windows Current Version Explorer. Here lies a series of folders and values that govern many of your settings. Now once you reach Explorer, look for another folder named Advanced. Click on it, and you're going to create a new DWORD value. Right-click on an empty space in the right pane, hover over New, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. Name this new entry Disabled Context Menu Copilot without the quotes. Next, double-click on the new DWORD value and set its value data to 1. This indicates that you want to disable Copilot from your context menu. After you've done this, be sure to close the Registry Editor and restart your computer for the changes to take effect fully. Once your computer boots back up, check your context menu by right-clicking on the desktop or in a folder. You should notice that Copilot is no longer there, allowing for a cleaner, less cluttered interface. And that's it! You've successfully removed Copilot from the context menu in Windows 11. It may feel like a small change, but every bit of customization you do can enhance your overall experience with the system. If you appreciate having control over your technology, these sorts of adjustments are worth knowing about. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow and helpful. If you have any questions or experiences to share regarding Windows 11, feel free to drop a comment below. Again, remember to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.